Not every city becomes more beautiful at night. Some cities begin to glow. And sometimes, light disappears completely. This is a quiet night in Hoi An. And tonight, we move slowly. There is no grand entrance here. Just a small illuminated sign on the side of the street. Hoi An does not try to impress loudly. It waits for the sun to disappear. And then it shines. Lanterns are not decoration in Hoi An. They are tradition. The town was once a major trading port between Asia and Europe. Even today, you can feel that quiet history in silk, paper, wood, and warm light hanging above the streets. Some visitors release floating lanterns, a simple gesture of hope. As night deepens, the river becomes the heart of everything. Small wooden boats move slowly across the water. The lights drift away, and for a moment the world feels quieter than usual. In a quiet corner, someone begins to play. Away from the river, the streets soften. Yellow walls, wooden shutters, shadows stretching under warm lamps. Hoi An's old town is carefully preserved, not frozen in time, but gently protected. And like most beautiful evenings, it does not end dramatically. The lights grow smaller in the mirror, but something about the town stays. That same night, just a short drive away, the glow of lanterns gives way to open darkness. The sea is wider, quieter. No floating lights, just horizon. Travel is rarely about staying, it is about movement. From river to sea to sky, Hoi An was a moment of light, and now the journey continues. This is Quiet Miles,